The best men's cycling bibs are the foundation of our comfort on the bike. Serving as the critical interface between our bodies and our bike saddles, the right pair of bibs can enhance your comfort, performance, and enjoyment on every ride. There are many cycling bibs to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best cycling bibs from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Pearl Izumi Quest Bib Shorts. The Pearl Izumi Quest Bib Shorts surprised our cycling editor. He's used to cycling bibs that cost up to 4 times as much, but the comfort and performance of this budget-priced bib keep it in his rotation. He's tested many budget-priced bibs, and the Quest came out on top among the sizable bunch. The single-density Levitate Chamois was the most surprising. It was the right thickness, density, and profile to disappear underneath him. The 77% recycled polyester fabric felt lighter than others, which improved breathability but could potentially come at the cost of durability. While testing during weeks of high temperatures over 100 degrees in Central Texas, the humidity was over 70%. Our cycling editor, C.G. Ishii, who is accustomed to the most expensive and tech-laden fabrics, started riding in the Pearl Izumi Quest Bib Shorts. To his surprise, he never noticed the bibs being different from others which cost hundreds more. Number 2. Giro Chrono Elite Bib Short. Giro's newly revamped Chrono Elite Bib Shorts deliver supreme comfort and are made with Bluesign-approved recycled fabric. While the construction of this bib short is fairly traditional and straightforward, the fit is better than most bibs that are constructed this way. While many bibs that feature similar amounts of stitching tend to pucker around the medial glute, these bibs stay nice and tidy in this area, giving the posterior better support and a more athletic appearance. The Chrono Elite pad is made by Elastic Interface and has 4 density zones to provide the optimal balance of firm support and supple cushioning wherever and however you are riding. It's positioned perfectly to prevent it from sliding forward and provides plenty of material to protect the soft tissues around the sit bones. The pad has a reasonable width from side to side, allowing freedom of movement in the pedal stroke while remaining stable and locked in place on rougher roads. Number 3. Qualidyne Men's Cycling Bib. The Qualidyne Men's Cycling Bib is a game-changer for cycling enthusiasts. Its standout feature is the right-side utility pocket, which securely holds essentials like a 6.5-inch phone, keys, and cards, keeping them within easy reach during your ride. Comfort is paramount with these bib shorts. The skin-friendly material offers excellent breathability and moisture-wicking properties, ensuring you stay cool and dry even during intense rides. The back mesh construction further enhances ventilation, making long cycling sessions a breeze. At the heart of these shorts is the professional-grade 4D chamois pad. Its anatomical design and high-density foam inserts provide superior shock absorption and friction reduction, conforming perfectly to your body for maximum comfort and protection. Number 4. Castelli Men's Tutto Nano Bib. The Castelli Men's Tutto Nano Bib is a versatile and high-performance cycling essential that excels in various conditions. This bib knicker is designed to meet the needs of cyclists who demand comfort, protection, and adaptability from their gear. At the heart of the Tutto Nano Bib is the Kiss Air 2 seat pad, providing superior cushioning for long-distance rides. The pad's generous padding ensures that cyclists can maintain comfort even during extended time in the saddle, making it ideal for endurance enthusiasts. The bib knicker's NanoFlex 3G fabric is a standout feature, offering a perfect balance of warmth and softness while incorporating nanotechnology for water repellency. This innovative fabric keeps riders dry and comfortable in various weather conditions, from drizzles to unexpected showers. Number 5. Santic Men's Cycling Bib. The Santic Men's Cycling Bib offers a blend of comfort, performance, and practicality for cyclists of all levels. At its core is the professional-grade 4D Coolmax pad, featuring an anatomical design with high-density foam inserts. This innovative padding system effectively absorbs shock and minimizes friction, conforming to your body's contours for superior support and protection during long rides. Crafted from a mix of 80% polyester and 20% elastane, these bib shorts provide excellent stretch and breathability. This composition ensures riders stay cool, dry, and comfortable throughout their journey, while also guaranteeing long-lasting durability. The fabric's quick drying properties further enhance the overall riding experience, making these shorts suitable for both road and mountain biking. Safety is a key consideration in the design, with reflective treatments on both sides utilizing night vision technology to improve visibility during low-light conditions. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.